pick up one fucking heavy ass tire. So let's go check out the truck. I'm gonna roll it out here. Tire disposal. San Diego, Junk Guys San Diego. Give us a holler. We'll pick up your tire. So we lower the truck down. So we'll flip it and we'll flip it in there. So we got all that trash into our little truck. Actually, it's not a little truck. You know what it is? It's one fucking badass truck. 91 Dodge Cummins diesel, 12 valve, straight six, 4x4. $1,000,000 truck, baby, right there. It's the badass truck. You wish you had one. All you haters. Okay, so we're gonna flip that thing in there. But I wanna know, what's up with these big ass tires in people's yards? You think they need these things? Okay. Fucking things. That's how we do it. Need something picked up? You know who to call. Junk Guys San Diego. 760-331-3289. We'll be there same day, next day, maybe same hour. Just depends where we're at, where we're located, what we're doing for that day. Give us a call or check out our website. Book it through our Woofu and we'll give you a discount. Guaranteed. See you till next time.